In this video we're going to unbox the D'cent Biometric Hardware Wallet. Now before we do that, let me tell you what D'cent is all about. I want to quickly take a moment to talk about the company behind D'cent, which is IOTrust Corporation Limited. Now the company has been established in 2017 with the goal of enabling everyone to conveniently manage their digital assets and safely enjoy blockchain services. In the following year, they have released their first biometric authentication cold wallet. Now a hardware wallet or a cold wallet is a physical device that is designed specifically to store and secure cryptocurrency. And these wallets are offline, meaning they are not connected to the internet, which makes them less susceptible to hacking. Now hardware wallets are typically small and portable, making them easy to carry with you on the go. They are also relatively easy to use as they typically have a simple interface and can be connected to a computer or mobile device via USB. Now one of the main advantages of hardware wallets is their security. Because they are offline and not connected to the internet, they are less susceptible to hacking. Additionally, hardware wallets typically have a number of security features, such as PIN codes, recovery phrases, and biometric authentication to further protect your assets. Now it's the most safest way to store your crypto in comparison to storing your crypto on an exchange or on software wallets. Right, back to IOTrust and D'cent. Over the years they have grown to a user base of over 200,000 people in 220 countries. Now in June of 2022, D'cent was actually recognized as the company with the nation's best security technology in Korea and was selected as a baby unicorn for its innovative business model and growth potential, which is a great achievement of its own. Right, so now that you've got a basic understanding, let's check out this hardware wallet. So it's sealed. It says do not use if seal is broken. Well, it's not broken, so I can use it. Let me peel it open and then open the package. The first thing that we see is the hardware wallet itself. It's wrapped in plastic. That's always the great thing about unboxing something, that we can peel this off. And it actually looks very sleek. I like how it's got a matte finish and then it's got some shiny parts for the buttons. Let me show you here on the screen real quick. So it's got a matte background and then this is a mix between matte and shiny. So I like that. And we've got ourselves a screen which we can use to verify the transactions on. We've got a cable that comes with it so we can charge it or connect it to our computer. It's the old USB type, so not the USB-C, but that doesn't really matter because we can still use it regardless. And then that's actually all there is in the box. There's like literally nothing more inside this box. So let's switch on this device and let's see what happens. And for that we have a button on the side that we can long press by holding this button for a very long time. Alright, select language. So I'm going to choose English, click OK, create wallet or recover wallet. Well, we need to create a wallet. And now I need to enter a new PIN. And you can use these up and down buttons to create a PIN, right? So that's what I'm going to do. And now I need to verify my PIN. And now I need to enroll my finger by scanning my finger in this part right here. Just give it a couple of taps and move your finger around. It's processing now. Now I need to scan my finger to verify it. Device is secured. Warning, recovery seed is backup of your private key and must be kept safe. Click OK to understand. And now the device is just processing what we've done. And it currently shows me my words which I need to write down. And for that I'm just going to use the cards that I have from D'cent. Then the device asks me, have you written down all your recovery seeds? I'm going to click OK. And then I need to enter in word number 1. I need to fill in word number 2, number 3 and so on. And then once you've done it, it gives you a prompt that congratulations, your wallet is set. Now you've got account setting, so we can open up account. And then we need to add an account into the app. So we need the app for this, so let's go back. And if you want to know where you can get the app, check out my other video I did on the all-in-one card wallet, how I show you how to get that app. You can also go to the Google Play Store, for instance, and find the app there. So now I need to add in my hardware wallet. So I'm going to settings. I'm going to switch wallet mode to biometric. And then wallet mode switches to biometric. Would you like to change it? Continue. Then I need to scan my fingerprint again. And now that it says allow D'cent Wallet to find devices in the area, so I'm going to click approve. And now you can manage your assets by adding an account. To use D'cent Hardware Wallet, make sure it's connected. Alright, so now let's sync them up and connect the hardware wallet with the app on the phone. So for the account, I'm going to click OK. Please add an account in the app. Alright, let's go back and I'm going to click add account. Check the device connection status, which means we need to go to setting, Bluetooth, and then Android, and now it's on. So now I need to connect my phone to this device. So I'm going to the Bluetooth settings. I'm going to search for the new devices. I'm clicking connect and now I need to fill in that code. So 024201. Let's click OK. And they now have been connected. Let's go back to the app. And now it says syncing wallet. Everything is being done automatically. Add an account. Let's click back. Let's go to accounts. OK. Please add an account in the app. So let's click add account. We need to search for a coin. Let's say Ethereum. Now we need to give our account a name, so that's what I'm going to do. And once I've done it, I'm going to click create. Retrieving address info, please wait, load address. Now it gives you some tips down here. And here we've created an account with the Ethereum token. Now we hold 0 ETH, but if we go to the account on the device, it says Ethereum. Let's click OK. And if I click OK again, I will be able to see the address. And if I click OK again, it will show me a QR code rather than the address, which I've blurred out for security reasons, obviously. Right, so let's say I want to transfer some funds. I can click exchange, swap or buy. So I can swap within the app as well, or I can exchange it. I'm going to click the Ethereum account and then I have send, receive, details, history and hide account. So for the sake of this tutorial, I now showed you how to receive something, but I'm going to show you how to send something as well. So we're going to click Ethereum again and we're going to click the send button. Now we need to fill in the receiver address. It asks you to check the correctness of the address and then we need to click next. Once we've done that, we see our balance and we can choose how much we want to send. In this case, I want to send everything back to the wallet where it came from. So I'm going to select max. I'm not going to fiddle around with the network fee, but with advanced, you could choose to change the GUI, for instance. So let's close that down again. We can also choose a very slow, medium or fast transaction speed. I'm going to leave it at default and I'm going to click next. Then it says confirm send transaction. It shows you all the details, so the receiver address, and it shows you the amounts. And I'm going to click send. And now I need to verify the transaction from my hardware wallet before signing. So I can see everything on the screen of my hardware wallet. I can see the address in the two. I can see the amount. I can see the fee. And now I need to cancel or I need to confirm it. I'm going to click confirm. And now I need to authenticate it with my fingerprint. Processing. So it's processing the transaction. And it says sending transaction. Please wait. Transaction broadcasted. Final confirmation takes time with dependency on network conditions. I'm going to click OK. And there you have it. All my Ethereum is now gone. That's it for this week. If you want to get a hardware wallet, I'm giving away one for free. It's the D'cent all-in-one card wallet. I've made a dedicated video on it. Be sure to check it out. All you have to do is leave a comment under this video saying I like D'cent, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!